Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to see how to apply a tourist visa to travel to the Republic of Equatorial Guinea. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply visa to any country, the very first step you need to do is to find out that based on your nationality, purpose and duration, or a combination of these, do you really need a visa? Because sometimes you may not even need it. And in case you do need a visa, then what you have to do is to well, you should always check the requirements as per the embassy, mission, consulate that covers your area, because based on your area there could be something, there could be something specific to your area, something specific to your state. So that's what is really very important. And one thing I would like to clarify, that I'm not an immigration consultant or government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, for example, you are an Indian citizen and you live in New Delhi. So for you, I have opened this embassy of the Republic of Equatorial Guinea. And they have a link of visa application right away, where they have given the contact details, and the application has to be personally submitted. Fee they will collect is non-refundable. Visa application form should be completed. Okay. Uh, and it has to be submitted like two passport color photographs. In case of minor, it needs to be signed by legal representative, that's for sure. Passport must be minimum 6 months valid. They should have an invitation letter, and in 4 days it's gonna be processed. Okay. And you need to provide supporting documents like hotel reservation, proof of funds, tickets. These things will really help you. So I'm gonna open this link. So this is what has opened. So it's very simple. This is your photo. Two photos they have asked. Surname, applicable maiden name, date of birth, personal document, nationality at birth. Very simple. This I don't have to explain, but make sure you read it, and when you fill it up, verify it, because some people do minor mistake and later they struggle. You don't want anything like that. Number of entries, duration of stay, other visas that you have, purpose of visit, spouse information, and once you are through all that, just sign, and then you can go there to submit it. They have given all the information on this site. All right, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.